So, Google just did something crazy. They quietly dropped a new AI tool called Google Opal. And bro, this thing is next level. You can literally build your own working apps without writing a single line of code. Yup, zero coding. Even your pet goldfish could make an app now. Now here's the deal. In this video, the Google Opal Masterclass, I'm going to show you exactly what kind of apps you can build, how people are already making real money with them, and how you can use this tool to kickstart your freelancing or AI career. I'm telling you, the use cases I found are wild. Non-coders are earning like pros, all thanks to tools like Opal. So yeah, grab your snacks, chill out, and get ready, because what I'm about to show you might just change your AI career forever. Let's jump right in. So here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. Google Opal is this brand new experimental no-code AI tool that Google Labs launched in 2025. Now, before you roll your eyes and go, ugh, another AI builder, hold up, this one's different. Opal basically lets you build and share AI-powered mini apps just by describing what you want in plain English. You say something like, I want an app that summarizes YouTube videos and sends me key points on WhatsApp. And boom, Opal builds the whole workflow for you. It literally chains together AI models, tools, and actions inside this clean visual workflow editor, so you can see exactly how your app is thinking step by step. In simple words, you describe the idea, Opal builds the logic, and you get a working mini app. No coding, no stress. Google says it's designed for creators, freelancers, and developers who want to quickly prototype AI ideas, build proof of concepts, or automate boring stuff to boost productivity. Basically, it's like ChatGPT plus a visual builder on steroids. Now here's the catch. Opal is currently available in the US and 15 other countries, including India, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, Brazil, Singapore, Colombia, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Panama, Honduras, Argentina, and Pakistan. So if your country isn't on the list, no worries, bro. Just use a VPN. Google doesn't have to know. Once you're in, you'll notice something really cool. Opal already has a bunch of pre-built mini apps you can explore. These are like templates to help you understand what's possible here. For example, I clicked on one called Blog Post Writer, and instantly it showed me the entire workflow behind how the app works. You can literally see every step. First, it does the research, then it creates an outline, then it generates the content, and finally, boom, you get your blog post. Now, on the right side, you can also see the actual working app. It's not just theory. So I tested it out, typed in write a blog on digital marketing, and Opal just started working. Oh, within seconds, it was researching, building an outline, generating images, and finally gave me a full blog post. Pretty basic because my prompt was simple, but the magic is you can build something way better than this. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you next, how to build a professional level AI mini app step by step inside Opal. By the end of this video, all your doubts about Opal will be gone. Let's do this. All right, let's finally make our first mini app using Google Opal. So all you need to do is click on Create New, and boom, you'll see this super simple interface. Here, you can literally build an app just by typing a prompt. Yep, that's it. Now I wanted an idea that solves some real-world problem, something people actually need. So I jumped to ChatGPT and asked, give me new mini app ideas that solve common everyday problems. And bro, ChatGPT went full machine gun mode, throwing hundreds of ideas. But one that really stood out to me was this. Idea: AI Complaint Response Assistant. Here's the concept. Problem: businesses get tons of angry customer messages or bad reviews, and most don't know how to reply politely. It kills their reputation. Solution: build an app where they just paste the customer's message or review, and Opal automatically generates a professional, empathetic reply instantly. Sounds cool, right? Let's build it. So I copied the title and again asked ChatGPT, I'm starting to work on this. Give me a prompt to describe the app. ChatGPT gave me a full, detailed description, everything about how the app should function. Perfect. I just copied that and pasted it into Opal's description section, added my app title, and clicked Generate. And dude, within a few seconds, Opal created a complete working app with a full workflow. It literally showed me every step of what the app does and how. And if you're not happy with the results, you can even tweak the prompts inside the workflow editor. You can also choose which AI model to use. For example, I'm using Gemini 2.5 Pro because my app deals with writing professional responses. The model choice totally depends on your app's purpose. Once done, I just closed it and boom, my app appeared on the right side, ready to test. So let's test it out. Imagine I run an e-commerce business and I got this angry message from a customer. Your product arrived broken and no one from your support team responded. Now, instead of manually replying or asking ChatGPT every time, I'll just paste it into my Opal app and click Generate. According to my app design, I've got 3 tone options: formal, friendly, and casual. Let's pick formal and click Generate. And look at that. A perfect professional reply in one click. No extra typing, no wasting time. Just one click and done. For small businesses, this is a share app, and you'll get 2 options: public link, private link for clients. I usually recommend the private link. It looks more professional. Just copy the link, share it with the client's email, and boom, they can use it right away. When I tested mine, it worked perfectly. So yeah, this is how easily you can create powerful mini apps that actually help people and save time. Now the best part, you can create these types of apps for your clients and make money through freelancing. So now that you've built your first Opal mini app, let's talk about the real deal, where and how you can actually sell these apps and make money online. All right, first stop, Fiverr. This one's honestly the best platform to get started. If you search on Fiverr, you'll see tons of freelancers already offering AI automation or no-code app gigs, and they're charging really good money. The best part? The competition for Opal-based services is still super low. So yeah, Fiverr should definitely be your first stop. Next up, Upwork. Very similar, but a bit more professional. You can build long-term clients here and even add your Opal mini app gigs to your catalog. Perfect if you're planning to scale your freelancing career. Now, here's something even more interesting. If you want faster conversions and less competition, check out some underrated platforms like WAP and Contra. These are newer, creator-friendly marketplaces where you can easily sell your AI tools, automations, and mini apps. And since not many people are using them yet, it's the perfect time to jump in. And of course, I can't forget Gumroad, absolute classic. If you built a cool mini app, workflow, or digital tool, Gumroad lets you sell it directly to your audience with 0 friction. Just upload your app link, write a catchy description, and boom, you can start earning from day one. It's perfect for creators who already have a small following on YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram. So yeah, Fiverr, Upwork, WAP, Contra, and Gumroad, these 5 are your go-to money-making platforms for Opal apps. But hey, don't just stop there. Start building your own community too. That's where long-term success kicks in. Use Instagram and YouTube to share behind-the-scenes clips, tutorials, and success stories. Post about your apps, your workflow, your client wins. That's how you attract the right audience. And please, make a small portfolio page. Even a Notion or Google site works fine. Clients love seeing proof. Also, build your LinkedIn presence. Post about Opal, AI freelancing, and your latest builds. And if you're active on Twitter, X, post daily AI tips and workflow threads. These blow up fast and bring clients organically. Bonus tip, join Google's official Opal Discord and other AI tool servers. People there literally post, "Can someone help me create a custom Opal app for my business?" That's your cue to reply and get your first client fast. Now, honestly, after all this, it's almost impossible not to get clients. You just need a bit of patience in the beginning. Once you land that first client, your freelancing game changes completely. And hey, I've still got tons of high-demand app ideas for Opal that you can build right now. But this video is already getting long. So if you guys want a separate video just on top 10 viral Opal mini app ideas to make money in 2025, drop a comment below and I'll make that next. If you learned something new today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe because I honestly put my heart and energy into this one. All right, that's it for today's Google Opal Masterclass. Now go out there, build something awesome, and turn your ideas into income. See you in the next one.